Unraveling the Meaning of Roar by A Comprehensive Guide. Hello, English learners from around the world. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an intriguing topic to discuss. We're going to delve into the meaning and usage of the phrase, roar by. By the end of this video, you'll have a thorough understanding of this expression, how to use it, and in which contexts it is appropriate. So, without further ado, let's get started. The phrase, roar by, is a compound verb that combines the verb, roar, with the preposition, by. When we look at the word, roar, it typically refers to a loud, deep sound made by a wild animal like a lion or tiger. However, in this context, roar takes on a metaphorical meaning, referring to something moving with great speed and often with a loud noise. The word, by, in this case, means past or through a place. So, when you put the two words together, roar by describes something moving past a particular point quickly and possibly loudly. Now, let's look at some examples to better understand how to use roar by. 1. Trains and vehicles. The train roared by the station, leaving a gust of wind in its wake. Here, roared by describes the train moving past the station very quickly. 2. People and animals. The runner roared by his competitors, securing a solid lead. In this example, roared by is used to describe someone moving swiftly past others. 3. Time. The weeks roared by, and before we knew it, summer was over. Here, roared by is metaphorically describing time passing very quickly. It's also important to address some common mistakes that learners might make with this phrase. 1. Incorrect preposition. Avoid using the wrong preposition. It's always roar by, not roar through or roar over. 2. Misuse with slow movements. Don't use roar by to describe something moving slowly. The phrase inherently implies speed. 3. Literal use of roar. Remember that in this context, roar does not refer to an actual roaring sound, but rather to the idea of speed and intensity. And that brings us to the end of our video. We hope that this guide has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, roar by. Remember, it's all about speed and intensity. Whether it's a train rushing past, a competitor taking the lead, or time slipping away. Keep practicing, and you'll master the nuances of this phrase in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips and tricks. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.